We're on the road again. This time we're headed out to Toquerville Falls, pick up a razor that's been involved in an accident. So on a sheriff's dispatch, got the old Cherokee and the old flatbed recovery trailer, and we're gonna get out there and get them taken care of. And sure had a lot of fun working with search and rescue over the years. Did that for a while, even the commander for a few, and it's nice to get out there on these recoveries and see some of the old timers from back in the day and tell them hello and do what we're doing. But never a complaint when you get out there, and shout out to the law enforcement for getting things taken care of and serving the public. And we'll get out there and get them taken care of. We'll take you along for the ride.
Okay, thank you. See you.
Thanks, see you in a bit. So we'll see if we can get this little guy loaded. Hopefully everybody's okay. That thing all loaded up. Get some straps on the front. Here's where that Jeep rolled off a while back. Works pretty dang good. one loaded up, we was able to actually start it, so we didn't have to do any winching or anything like that, so that always makes it nice. But we sure don't like coming and getting these ones that have been crashed and people have been hurt, but hopefully everyone's okay and we'll get it back over to the yard and get it dropped off. And so it's coming up on the channel's 50,000 subs, so thanks for all the support. We're having a lot of fun doing what we love, filming what we do, and wouldn't change a thing, and we sure appreciate all the support. And again, shout out to the law enforcement out there for doing their part for the public safety aspect of things, and we sure appreciate all the work they do and the hard job that they have doing law enforcement. So thanks to them for all the support.
Are there more like camping spots along the way before you get to the falls?
You can kind of just pick a spot
On the side of the road? And there's
Yeah.
some pull out somewhere?
If you go all the way to the falls, there's some camping spots, or if you take that first left that's up here, the main one going up to the towers,
Okay.
you can kind of go up in there and there's some pretty good spots.
Go left up here in the fort?
Yeah. It's just kind of hard because you get too close to the road, you get dusted out, but you'll find a spot somewhere.
Okay. How much further to the falls?
I think you're about 2 miles, 2.5 miles, somewhere in there.
Okay.
So not too bad, but
30 minutes or so?
yeah, if you run into any trouble, you can always give us a holler. You're welcome. Back to pavement. Man, that's a miserable dang road. Well, I didn't even get back to Hurricane yet. I've got another tow here in Toquerville. Got a guy stuck down in a muddy field, so we're gonna sneak over there. Probably just leave the trailer and everything on and just give him a quick winch out, but we'll get over there and we'll take you along for the ride. We just will throw that in on this video as well. tailgating and the water snuck up behind him. So it got him all mired in that soft sandy stuff. So we just winched him around the edge of that little burn pile he had there. And got him on his way and on the road again. So thanks for watching and thanks for coming along for the ride.